First Roman, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. The metal inside the wires are made up of dash. The metal inside the wires are made up of dash. The options are A. Iron, B. Zinc and C. Copper. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, the answer is option C. Copper. So, the metal inside the wires are made up of copper. C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. Question number 2. Dash is used for making jewels. Dash is used for making jewels. The options are A. Zinc, B. Bauxite and C. Gold. Children, which mineral is used for making jewels? Yes, gold. The answer is gold. G-O-L-D, gold. So, gold is used for making jewels. And question number 3. Which mineral is used as fertilizer? Which mineral is used as fertilizer? Option A. Zinc oxide. Option B. Potash. Option C. Iron ore. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, the answer is option B. Potash. Potash is used as fertilizer. P-O-T-A-S-H, potash. Potash is used as fertilizer. The metal inside the wires are made up of copper. Gold is used for making jewels. Potash is used as fertilizer. Question number 4. Zinc is found in dash. Zinc is found in dash. The options are A. Milk, B. Biscuit and C. Fish. Children, we already learnt zinc is found in red meat, white meat and seafoods. So, here they have given milk, biscuit and fish. So, fish is example for seafood. So, the answer is fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Zinc is found in fish. Next, question number 5. Which mineral is used in aircraft making industry? Which mineral is used in aircraft making industry? Option A. Zinc. Option B. Bauxite. Option C. Potash. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, the answer is option B. Bauxite. So, bauxite is used in aircraft making industry. B-A-U-X-I-T-E, bauxite. Bauxite is used in aircraft making industry. Zinc is found in fish. Bauxite is used in aircraft making industry. Second one, match the following. Children, first I will read the questions and then we will match it. First one, bauxite. Second one, iron ore. Third one, zinc oxide. And fourth one, metal wires. Fifth one, potash. And this side they have given railway tracks, copper, aluminium, soap and rubber products. First one, bauxite. Bauxite is used for making aluminium. So the answer is aluminium. ALUMINIUM, aluminium. And second one, iron ore. Iron ores are used in railway tracks. The answer is railway tracks. RAILWAY, railway tracks. TRACKS, tracks, railway tracks. And third one, zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is used for making rubber products. So the answer is rubber products. RUBBER, rubber products. PRODUCTS, products, rubber products. And fourth one, metal wires. Metal wires are made up of copper. So the answer is copper. COPPER, copper. And fifth one, potash. Potash is used as fertilizer and also it is used for making soap. So the answer is soap. SOAP, soap. Bauxite, aluminium. Iron ore, railway tracks. Zinc oxide, rubber products. Metal wires, copper. Potash, soap. Answer the following. Question number 1. Name some minerals found on the earth. Name some minerals found on the earth. The answer is copper, gold, iron ore, bauxite, zinc, potash, aluminium, silver. So, these are the minerals found on the earth. Copper, COPPER, copper. Gold, GOLD, gold. Iron ore, IRON, iron. Ore, ORE, ore. Iron ore. Bauxite, BAUXITE, bauxite. Zinc, ZINC, zinc. Potash, POTASH, potash. Aluminium, ALUMINIUM, aluminium. Silver, SILVER, silver. Some minerals found on the earth are copper, gold, iron ore, bauxite, zinc, potash, aluminium and silver. Question number 2. Name some minerals that are conductors of electricity. Name some minerals that are conductors of electricity. The answer is copper, aluminium, steel, gold and brass. So these are the minerals that are conductors of electricity. Copper, C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. Aluminium, A-L-U-M-I-N-I-U-M, aluminium. Steel, S-T-E-E-L, steel. Gold, G-O-L-D, gold. Brass, B-R-A-S-S, brass. Copper, aluminium, steel, gold and brass. Question number 3. What are the 3 types of non-renewable resources? What are the 3 types of non-renewable resources? The 3 types of non-renewable resources are metallic resources, non-metallic resources and fossil fuel resources. Metallic resources, M-E-T-A-L-L-I-C, metallic resources, R-E-S-O-U-R-C-E-S, resources, metallic resources. Non-metallic resources, N-O-N, non-metallic, M-E-T-A-L-L-I-C, metallic resources, R-E-S-O-U-R-C-E-S, resources, non-metallic resources. Fossil fuel resources, F-O-S-S-I-L, fossil, fuel, F-U-E-L, fuel, resources, R-E-S-O-U-R-C-E-S, resources, fossil fuel resources. Metallic resources, non-metallic resources and fossil fuel resources. Next, question number 4. Where does iron ores are found in Tamil Nadu? Where does iron ores are found in Tamil Nadu? The answer is iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. Iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. Iron ores, I-R-O-N, iron ores, O-R-E-S, ores, A-R-E-R. Found, F-O-U-N-D, found at, A-T, at. Kanjamalai, K-A-N-J-A-M-A-L-A-I, Kanjamalai, I-N in Tamil Nadu, T-A-M-I-L-N-A-D-U, Tamil Nadu. Iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. Next, answer the following. Question number 1. Why zinc is called the essential trace element? Why zinc is called the essential trace element? The answer is zinc is called the essential trace element because very small amount of zinc is necessary for human health. Zinc, Z-I-N-C, zinc. I-S is called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, the, 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 essential, 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 trace, 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 element, 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 because, 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 very, 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 small, 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 amount, 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 of, zinc, 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 is, necessary, 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 for, for, human, 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 health, health, health. Zinc is called the essential trace element because very small amount of zinc is necessary for human health. Question number 2. Write few uses of bauxite. Write few uses of bauxite. The answer is bauxite is used to make aluminium, paper, purify water and refine petroleum. It is also used to manufacture rubber and cosmetics. Bauxite, 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 is used, used, to make, make, aluminium, 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 paper, 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 purify water, PURIFY, purify water, 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 and and refine, 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 petroleum, PETROLEUM, petroleum. It is also it is also ALSO, also used, used to, to manufacture, 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 rubber, 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 and cosmetics, COSMETICS, cosmetics. Bauxite is used to make aluminium, paper, purify water and refine petroleum. It is also used to manufacture rubber and cosmetics. Question number 3. Write a short note on iron ore. Write a short note on iron ore. The answer is iron ore is mainly used to produce iron. It is also used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, tools, bicycles, and thousands of other items. Iron ore. IRON. Iron ore. 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 Is mainly. MAINLY. Mainly used. USED. Used to. TO. Produce. 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 Iron. 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 It is. IT. It is. Is. Also. 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 Used. USED. Used to. TO. Make. 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 Vehicles. VECHICLES. Vehicles. Engines. 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 Railway tracks. Railway. RAILWAY. Railway tracks. 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 Ships. 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 Buildings. 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 Tools. 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 Bicycles. 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 And and thousands. THOUSANDS. Thousands of other items. Other. OTHER. Other items. 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 Iron ore is mainly used to produce iron. It is also used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, tools, bicycles, and thousands of other items. Question number 4. Write few uses of copper. Write few uses of copper. The answer is copper is used in all electrical appliances including computers, televisions, mobile phones, and other electronic devices. Copper. 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 Is used. 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 Iron in all. 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 Electrical. 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 Appliances. 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 Including. 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 Computers. 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 Televisions. 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 Mobile phones. MOBILE. Mobile phones. N-E-S, phones, mobile phones. And, A-N-D, and, other, O-T-H-E-R, other, electronic, E-L-E-C-T-R-O-N-I-C, electronic, devices, D-E-V-I-C-E-S, devices. Copper is used in all electrical appliances including computers, televisions, mobile phones and other electronic devices.